Once again, welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. Ukraine crisis. First Indian Air Force flight with 200 Indians landed in Delhi at 1:30 a.m. Amazon plans to file case against Future Group over store transfers. India again abstained on UN resolution deploring Russia's aggression in Ukraine. National Disaster Response Force sends relief material to war-hit Ukraine. India recorded 7,554 new COVID cases yesterday. And now some international news. Broke Russia's sneaky plans in a week. Ukraine's President Zelensky, he said around 9,000 Russian soldiers had been killed since the invasion began. Ukraine crisis. World Bank stops all its projects in Russia, Belarus. 227 civilians killed, 525 injured in Ukraine since Russian invasion. 7 soldiers die in Romania helicopter crash. Defense Ministry officials believe the incident took place due to unfavorable weather conditions. France Macron says will keep speaking with Putin to stop war in Ukraine. And now some sports news. Injured Deepak Chahar of Chennai Super Kings set to miss half of IPL 2022. Premier League captains to wear Ukraine armbands in show of sport. Dark page. German fury as Russia, Belarus athletes allowed at Paralympics. BCCI's central contracts. Ajinkya Rahane, Cheteshwar Pujara dropped from grade A to B. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.